Hi Pash. So this issue I noticed on staging and live environment. In the contact list, if I go to the contact info, it's showing an error. So this is happening on test and live and staging, working fine on test environment, and it's not happening for all the contacts. So the contacts which are associated with any of the company and the contacts do not have phone number and email ID. For such contacts, it is showing an error. Right. So for example, if I go to this, there is no error. Yeah, so this is not happening on test, so I'll keep this issue under observation, and after the next release I will retest this on live. If it is reproducible, then maybe we can decide when to fix it. Just wanted to notify you. Thank you.